Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I do want to mention one thing. You can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So first things first, we'll need to turn off our device, and we can do so by holding the power button and then selecting power off. Now I do want to also clarify one thing before we go any further. If you're doing this process in order to get rid of a screen lock, if your phone has a Google account signed in on it, your device becomes FRP locked. And what that means is you will need to verify your screen lock or your Google account when going through the setup process. Without doing one of those, you will not be able to finish up the setup process, and therefore you're kind of left with a brick for a phone, as phone setup screen can't really be used as a phone. So something to keep in mind. Now we're gonna hold power button and volume up at the same time. And this moves us to the recovery mode. In this mode, you can let go of both of the buttons, and then using volume down or up, down will go down, you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with the power button, then select factory data reset, confirm that. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete. When it says that it's completed, your reboot system now option will be selected, so just press power button once more, and this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, because it is still continuing the process of resetting it, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. So don't worry, this is completely normal. This should take about 2 minutes tops to finish up. So I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's finished for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.